Japan is known for its bustling cities and iconic landmarks, places where neon lights and crowds create a vibrant energy that never seems to sleep. But beyond the city lights, there's a quieter side waiting to be discovered. A world where time seems to slow and nature takes center stage. Shizuoka Prefecture, cradling the majestic Mount Fuji, is one such hidden gem, often overlooked by travelers in a hurry. While many speed past on the bullet train, racing from city to city, they miss treasures like Emerald Lake, nestled quietly in the mountains waiting to be found. Our journey isn't about speed, it's about discovery, about savoring each moment and every view along the way. We'll take a local train through Shizuoka, winding through lush landscapes. A trip for those who dream, explore, and seek the stories hidden in the scenery. The promise of a hidden lake feels like a storybook adventure, where every chapter brings a new sense of wonder. As we leave the busy world behind, time slows and the landscape transforms, revealing a Japan many overlook, a place where peace and beauty quietly unfold. Shizuoka, famous for its green tea, offers deeper beauty. The mountains whisper ancient stories, rivers sing gentle songs, and the air is filled with the scent of nature. Here, people live in harmony with nature, their lives shaped by the rhythms of the land and the changing seasons. Our train ride is a key to this hidden world, unlocking experiences and sights that few ever see. The destination is Emerald Lake, but the journey itself is the true adventure, filled with moments that linger in your memory. Every turn of the track reveals new views, hidden corners, and moments of peace that invite you to pause and reflect. Today, we're explorers, seeking a corner of Japan many miss, guided by curiosity and a sense of adventure. Shizuoka invites us to slow down, to wander off the beaten path, and to find beauty in places where few have looked. Our story begins with a simple train ticket and a heart full of curiosity, ready to embrace the unknown. Let's embark on this adventure together and discover the hidden promise of Japan. Our adventure begins at a quaint station, nestled quietly in the heart of the Japanese countryside, where time seems to slow down and the air is filled with anticipation. Waiting patiently is a charming red train, its paint bright against the gentle landscape, inviting us aboard for a journey unlike any other. This isn't a bullet train, it's a leisurely ride through Shizuoka, winding its way past rice paddies and sleepy villages, far from the rush of city life. The seats face large windows, turning every moment into a moving postcard, making the view the main attraction for every traveler. Few passengers join us. An old woman with a gentle smile, laughing school children sharing stories, and a sense of quiet camaraderie fills the car. This train is for savoring the journey, not rushing. Here, every minute is a chance to breathe and watch the world roll by. As we leave the city, open fields replace the urban sprawl, and the landscape transforms into a patchwork of green and gold. The train's gentle rocking is a lullaby, calming the mind and inviting daydreams as the scenery drifts by. We're not just traveling, we're becoming part of Shizuoka's rhythm, moving in harmony with the land and its people. The little red train is our guide to hidden beauty, revealing secret corners and forgotten paths along the way. Each bend promises new discoveries, a shrine tucked beneath ancient trees, a waterfall sparkling in the sunlight, moments of wonder waiting to be found. The train's mission is to reveal the countryside's secrets, sharing its stories with those willing to look out the window. We climb into the mountains, the air cooler and cleaner, the world outside turning misty and magical as we ascend. The train's sounds are a comforting soundtrack, wheels clicking, rails humming, a melody that soothes and reassures. We're on a special trip, exploring a timeless Japan where tradition and nature blend seamlessly together. The little red train is ready to show us everything, its spirit eager and adventurous, promising more with every mile. Anticipation builds as we journey deeper into Shizuoka, the scenery growing wilder and more enchanting with each passing moment. The journey is the destination, and it's already beautiful. Each view a reminder to slow down and appreciate the ride. Let's see what lies ahead, as the little train carries us forward into the heart of adventure. Our window reveals a masterpiece of green, a claymation world. Mountains rise covered in a thick blanket of trees. The forests mix 100 shades of green, a living work of art. Tea fields appear, a green carpet on the hillsides, The train moves slowly, letting us admire this man-made wonder. We glide through a claymation world, each view breathtaking. Waterfalls and bridges add to the magical landscape. The colors, emerald, lime, olive, create a world of depth and beauty. Our little red train is a bright spark in this fantastic landscape. It's a claymation dream come to life. As the train winds through mountains, small villages appear. These aren't bustling towns, but quiet collections of traditional homes. Smoke curls from chimneys, life connected to the land. We see farmers, an old woman with laundry, children walking home. These simple scenes feel profound from our train window. The train stops briefly at tiny stations, lifelines for small communities. Each passenger has a story, a life in this quiet corner of Japan. Watching this life unfold is humbling, a reminder of different ways to live. Here, life is about family, community, and nature. It's about finding joy in simple things. The people are guardians of a thoughtful way of life. We're lucky to glimpse it. Let's cherish this view. Anticipation builds as we near the lake, the gentle rhythm of the train echoing our excitement. Each turn of the tracks brings us closer, and the air inside the carriage is thick with curiosity and wonder. The conductor announces a landmark, his voice cheerful and proud, signaling our approach to something truly special. Faces pressed to windows, eager for the first glimpse, eyes wide and sparkling with anticipation. The forest thickens, the air charged with excitement. Every tree we pass seems to guard the secret of what lies ahead. Then, through the trees, a flash of brilliant green appears, almost like a hidden treasure being revealed. The lake is a vibrant emerald, a pool of liquid jade nestled among rolling hills, its surface impossibly smooth and glassy. The train moves slowly along the lake's edge, offering panoramic views that seem to stretch on forever, inviting us to lose ourselves in the scenery. Sunlight dances on the water, creating a million sparkles that shimmer and shift with every gentle ripple. The mountains frame the lake, a scene of untouched beauty, as if nature itself has painted this perfect moment just for us. A collective gasp fills the train. Cameras rise, but no lens can truly capture the magic of this view. This sight must be seen with your own eyes to be believed, its colors and light impossible to describe. The beauty is overwhelming, silencing conversation and filling the carriage with a sense of awe and gratitude. Our little red train has delivered on its promise, bringing us to a place that feels almost otherworldly. The Emerald Lake is real, more beautiful than imagined. Let's savor this moment, letting its wonder linger in our hearts. The Oigawa River Reservoir, or Emerald Lake, is a scientific marvel. Tiny particles scatter light, creating its famous emerald hue. The lake, born from a dam project, blends human engineering with natural wonder. A floating train station, Okoikojo, offers unique views. The station, on peninsulas connected by a red bridge, is a photographer's dream. The area is tranquil, free from tourist traps. Visitors can walk the bridge, take a boat tour, or enjoy the peace. The air is fresh. The sounds gentle. The lake's secrets lie in its color, history, and spirit. Let's appreciate this serene beauty. As our train returns, images of Emerald Lake linger. The journey was more than a train ride. It was a lesson in slow travel. We saw smiles, colors, and the rhythm of countryside life. Shizuoka showed us beauty beyond famous cities. Adventure is about depth, not distance. Seek hidden gems, take the local train, explore the unknown. The world is full of emerald lakes, waiting to be found. Our day in Shizuoka was a storybook journey. Remember the little red train and the hidden lake. It's an adventure you'll never forget.
Dear viewers, I want to take a moment to thank each and every one of you for watching my videos and supporting my channel. Your love and encouragement mean so much to me. However, I have noticed that many of you enjoy the content but haven't subscribed yet. If you truly enjoy my videos and want to see more exciting content in future, I kindly request you to subscribe to my channel, and subscribing is completely free, but it helps me grow, create even better videos and stay motivated to share some more amazing content with you. So, if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button and join our YouTube family today. Your support means that the world to me, and together we can make this community even bigger and stronger. Thank you so much for watching, supporting, and being a part of this journey. Dear viewers, I want to take a moment to thank each and every one of you for watching my videos and supporting my channel. Your love and encouragement mean so much to me. However, I have noticed that many of you enjoy the content but haven't subscribed yet. If you truly enjoy my videos and want to see more exciting content in future, I kindly request you to subscribe to my channel, and subscribing is completely free, but it helps me grow, create even better videos, and stay motivated to share some more amazing content with you. So, if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button and join our YouTube family today. Your support means that the world to me, and together we can make this community even bigger and stronger. Thank you so much for watching, supporting, and being a part of this journey.